Hello, this is Robin Foss. I am so excited about the Slotted Frame Shapes workshop. It's being released for my P2P Live in St. Louis this September 2022, and I show you how to create this shape. Maybe that's not as exciting to you, but let's see what happens when we convert this to a photo drop point. So right-click Fill, Convert to Photo Drop Point, and then let's drag over a photo. And just look how beautiful that is. There's a focus area in the center, and then the photo bleeds out into the slotted area on the outside. Let's hide that, and I'll show you a photo that I did that I matted, and then on a decorated page. So fun. Hope you enjoy creating the slotted frames.